Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix sound or audio problem in Battlefield 6. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. On your PC, click on Windows icon and then click on Settings icon. Then click on System, Sound, Advanced. Then click on More Sound Settings. Click your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Go to Spatial Sound tab, click the drop down box and select Off. Then click on Apply and then OK. If spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones instead. Then go to the Enhancements tab, check mark Loudness Equalization and then click on Apply and then OK. Now launch Battlefield 6 and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 2. If you are using a Bluetooth headphones, then right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth Devices, scroll to the bottom and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Right click your headphones and select Properties. Now go to the Services tab, uncheck Hands-Free Telephony, Remote Control and Remotely Controllable Device. Now click Apply and then check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 3. Make sure sound level in-game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Battlefield 6 game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, you may like to try using a speaker to see if any sounds play. Solution 4. Set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. So I hope by following these fixes you were able to easily fix sound or audio problem in Battlefield 6. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.